This is my Rubik's Cube, and my challenge is that I'm going to perform a certain number of moves in 1 second, and you have to guess how many moves I did. But before I do that, I'm going to clarify what I mean by one move. Say if I do something like this, that counts as one move. But if I do something like this and then that counts as two moves. Pretty easy. So, here we go. Did you catch that? Let me do it once more. Look carefully. There it is. How many moves was that? Did it look like 4 moves? 6 moves? Maybe even 8 moves? Or something else? Make a guess. If you want, let me know by guessing in the comment section below. Now that you probably have an idea of how many moves I did, let's take a look at this in slow motion. So if you didn't catch what I did in the slow motion or see it that well, here's what I did. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And here's how it looks like. And here again, fast.
Hey, so it's Saturday here in Zurich. Youngmin left yesterday for Korea. Hey Youngmin, miss you, I love you. I went on a big bike ride today and I still have to go for a run. So in the meantime, I'm procrastinating, which means Rubik's Cube. I've gotten a bit better in the Rubik's Cube in the last year and a half or so since I posted the last video. I think my time is like 1 minute and 4 seconds now or something like that. So I just wanted to put another video up of the Rubik's Cube just because it's fun. I'm using the F2L method, the first 2 layer method. And I'm using cubetimer.com, which is a pretty good website. It lets you inspect the cube for 15 seconds or so and plays the starting sound after that time, and it also lets you start and stop the timer with hitting the spacebar on the computer. So that's really nice. Yeah, alright, so here's the Rubik's Cube all mixed up. I'll move the camera down on the cube a bit. Okay, and let me just inspect the cube and then we'll get going. Let's see. All right. Okay. Alright, so that was 1 minute and 7 seconds. Yeah, it was okay. Yeah, that's about it. Just here in Zurich on this kind of cloudy day. It was beautiful earlier today though. Youngmin, I will see you in a month or so. I'm glad that you got to Korea safely, and I'll see you just before our wedding. Love you very much, and hi everyone on YouTube, hi everyone on Facebook, and see you later. Bye.
Howdy y'all, I'm back in college and my room is really messy, so I'm using this awesome poster of Indiana Jones and the Last Crusade to distract you from the fact that you can even still see mess in here. Why is my girlfriend's purse here? I don't know. So yeah, but other than that, I have learned to solve this thing. That's right. And so I'm going to do that now. I messed it up, but I can still solve it. Yeah. Done. And, as an extra bonus, I will show you something that I discovered on my own, but has been done many times before. I am positive. From a solved cube, simply turn each side 180 degrees, mirroring. Rotate. You will have two sides inverted of each other like that, and the rest will be like this. You simply hold this like this, and do it again, and all of them will have these cool inverted awesomeness. That's all I have for you today, and I'll see you next time.
Thank you.